Right now, a massive gold rush is happening, not for metal, but for artificial intelligence. All around the world, people are quietly discovering new ways to turn AI into real, tangible wealth. This isn't a loud, chaotic rush like the gold booms of the past. Instead, it's a silent revolution, unfolding in home offices, coffee shops, and bedrooms. Most people see AI as a toy, a passing trend, or something only tech giants can use. But in reality, there's a quiet revolution creating new wealth for those paying attention. People who recognize the potential before it becomes obvious to everyone else. This isn't about building the next Google or inventing a world-changing app. It's about regular people using simple AI tools to launch profitable online businesses from their laptops. Anyone with an internet connection can participate, no matter their background or experience. Writers, marketers, and artists are leveraging AI to create value and financial freedom, just like early internet adopters did with websites and email. They're using AI to write books, design graphics, automate marketing, and even launch entire businesses with just a few clicks. The barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need a degree, a big loan, or years of experience, just the willingness to act and experiment. The tools are accessible, and the learning curve is shorter than ever before. These shifts start quietly, with early adopters building in the background, often unnoticed by the mainstream. They're working late at night, testing ideas, and quietly building the foundations of tomorrow's success stories. By the time it's mainstream news, the biggest opportunities are gone. The headlines come after the real pioneers have already staked their claims and built their fortunes. The good news? We're still in the early phase. There's still time to get in, learn, and carve out your own space before the crowd arrives. The window of opportunity is wide open, but it won't last forever. Every day, more people are waking up to the possibilities and joining the rush. The time to start digging for your own gold is right now. Don't wait for someone else to show you the way. Take the first step and start exploring what's possible. Don't wait for a big announcement. Act before the rush goes public. The future belongs to those who move early and seize the moment. Every tech revolution splits people into two groups, observers and adopters. This divide shapes not just careers but entire industries and futures. Observers stand on the sidelines, skeptical or overwhelmed, waiting for perfection or for someone else to take the first step. They stick to what they know, hoping change will pass them by, clinging to familiar routines even as the world moves forward. Adopters, on the other hand, see opportunity, not threat. They're energized by the unknown and curious about what's possible. They experiment, learn by doing, and build value before the crowd arrives. They're not afraid to make mistakes, because every mistake is a lesson. Early internet adopters built websites and audiences, while others hesitated, quietly laying the foundation for the digital world we know today. The difference? Observers get left behind, their skills outdated, wishing they'd started sooner, while the world races ahead without them. Adopters become experts, leaders, and business builders, not because they're smarter, but because they act, adapt, and keep moving forward. With AI, you're at that same fork in the road. The landscape is new, but the choice is timeless. Will you watch from the sidelines, or roll up your sleeves and build with these new tools? The choice is yours. History rewards the bold, and the future belongs to those who take action. Which side will you be on? Running a business solo used to be nearly impossible. Too many roles, too much admin. AI changes everything. Now, one person can run a scalable business with digital employees handling marketing, sales, and admin. Imagine a video editor. AI finds clients, schedules meetings, sends invoices, freeing you to focus on your craft. You serve more clients, deliver better work, and avoid burnout. Your business is limited only by your ideas and how well you use AI. One person can now build, run, and scale a business from a laptop. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. People are running agencies, stores, and consultancies solo, achieving freedom once reserved for CEOs. The era of the AI-powered solopreneur is here. The only question, will you take advantage? The tools are waiting. The real money in AI isn't in flashy apps or viral content, it's in solving boring, everyday business problems. Businesses pay for solutions to repetitive, time-consuming tasks, faster customer replies, automated bookings, follow-ups. Use AI to solve these headaches, and companies will pay you. often monthly. For example, automate appointment confirmations for dentists or thank you emails for e-commerce stores. These aren't glamorous, but they're profitable and in demand. Competition is lower here. You can become the go-to expert for practical AI solutions. You don't need to invent new tech, just connect existing tools to real-world needs. The gold is hidden in the engine rooms of everyday business. You don't need to be a programmer to win in the AI era. The biggest winners are those who combine AI with their existing skills: marketing, design, sales, writing, management. AI is a force multiplier, a tool that makes your expertise more valuable and efficient. Designers use AI to create faster and better. Sales pros use it to find leads and automate outreach. AI handles the grunt work, freeing you to focus on what humans do best: creativity, strategy, relationships. Don't abandon your skills, supercharge them. Ask, how can AI make me better at what I already do? Writers, editors, project managers, everyone can use AI to boost productivity and quality. By weaving AI into your workflow, you gain a unique edge. Become an AI-enhanced professional. That's the future-proof path. Proficiency with AI is quickly becoming a core requirement, not just a bonus or a nice-to-have skill. The world of work is changing at a rapid pace, and those who understand AI are already setting themselves apart from the crowd. Companies want people who can deliver AI-powered productivity, those who can do the work of three, thanks to smart tools and automation. The ability to leverage AI means you can solve problems faster, make better decisions, and contribute more value to your team. Job listings already ask for AI skills. Businesses seek consultants to integrate AI and cut costs. Organizations are actively searching for people who can help them stay ahead, streamline operations, and unlock new opportunities. Ignoring this trend puts you at a disadvantage. Soon, not knowing AI will be like not knowing how to use email. Falling behind could mean missing out on promotions, new roles, or even keeping your current job. The window of maximum opportunity is now. Tools are powerful, adoption is still low, and early action gives you a huge edge. This is the moment to get ahead, before everyone else catches up. As more people catch on, competition rises and easy wins disappear. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to stand out and claim those early advantages. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Progress begins with a single step, and there's no better time than right now. Try a free AI tool, watch a tutorial, automate one boring task. Even small actions can build your confidence and open new doors. Every small step is an investment in your future. Over time, these efforts compound, leading to big results and new possibilities. The AI gold rush is here, and the tools are at your fingertips. You have everything you need to get started and claim your share of the future. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take action now, and set yourself up for success in the age of AI.